Feeling good, feeling ready. You know, big opportunity, just trying to capitalize on it. Thank you all of you guys for making it out to Hadley Civic Center. And it's gonna be a fucking show to remember.